Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I have entered the beautiful and challenging world of gardening. So I was super excited to find this Scuddles gardening bag. Now, for an amateur gardener as myself, I really appreciated this bag because it really comes with everything that you need. You have different types of rakes, you have a staff that allows you to aerate your soil, you have a shovel, and I like the spray bottle option because you can fill it up, and especially if you're dealing with herbs, you can imitate the idea of rain. It is able to softly go down onto it and soak into the soil to get to the roots. You can even put in special nutrients in that water to boost the health of your plant. So it's really nice. It comes with a set of gloves. The bag keeps it all in one place so that I can put it in a storage bin, and when I'm ready to use it, grab it. I know I'm going to have everything that I need. So I have loved using this. It has really helped me to obtain this goal of trying to be the best gardener I can. I think if you are getting into gardening yourself, this is a perfect set for you, and that's my point of view.